How to add a co-host in booking.com. Now, first things first is you'll have to keep in mind that booking.com is only for users that has an existing business in which they are trying to have a marketing with their certain spots or certain places. So this is like a platform for a marketplace on for hotel, for flights, for car rentals, and so on and so forth. So if you already posted one of your businesses with booking.com, then if you hover your mouse under to your profile, then there will be a button here that says manage or add user. So once you have successfully clicked on that, then there will be option there for you to be able to add a user, which means you can add a co-host. So you'll just have to follow those necessary process for you to be able to completely add a co-host with Booking.com. And again, you can only see that specific option if your account is for business. For example, you just created a brand new apartment and then you wanted that business to be visible online. So you'll have to go to booking.com and then register your business there. And once you have created an account, you can go ahead and add a co-host by just clicking on your profile icon right there and then click on manage and add new users. That's it. That's how you can add a co-host in booking.com.